Today we are making the most vibrant, healthy and crispy green chickpea falafel. This recipe is baked, not fried, packed with herbs and flavor, plant protein and bold flavors, and the texture is absolutely perfect, crispy outside, soft and fluffy inside. Let's get started. In a blender or a food processor, add 1.5 cup of green chickpeas. I am using fresh green chickpeas for the natural bright color. Now add half a cup of fresh parsley and 1/3 cup of cilantro. These herbs are what gives falafel its signature green, fresh taste. Next, add 1/3 cup of chopped onion. For flavor, 1 tablespoon of a garlic paste. Now let's season it. Half teaspoon of a baking powder, half teaspoon of a black pepper, salt to taste, and 2 teaspoon of a olive oil. Squeeze a half lemon juice, 2 teaspoon of a cumin powder, and finally 2 tablespoon of a chickpea flour to help bind everything together. Now pulse the mixture. Important, do not overblend. You want a coarse texture, not a smooth paste. The mixture should hold together when pressed but still have some texture. Now transfer this mixture into a bowl and refrigerate at least 30 minutes. This step helps the mixture firms up and makes shaping much easier. After chilling, take a small portion and roll them into medium-sized bowls. Gently press to slightly flatten if you like a more classic falafel shape. Now roll each bowl into sesame seeds. This adds an extra crispy coating and beautiful texture when baked. Line a baking tray with a parchment paper and lightly brush or spray oil on it. Place the falafel bowls evenly spaced out. Now bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Flip them gently and spread the oil. Now bake another 12 minutes until golden brown and crispy. You will notice the outside becomes beautifully crispy while the inside stays soft and herbaceous. Now let's build the platter. Once the falafel is out of the oven, start with a generous layer of hummus at the base. Add some fresh vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes, shredded cabbage, carrots for color, or pickled beet. I am using pickled beet. Place the warm crispy falafel. Drizzle tahini yogurt sauce. You can make this by mixing yogurt, tahini, lemon juice, garlic and salt. Add some pickled beets for tanginess. You can also serve this with a pita bread. I am using whole wheat cracker over a salad base if you want it lighter. This platter is a protein-rich, fiber-packed and incredibly satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more colorful, healthy fusion recipes just like this. I will see you in next one. Thank you.